Cabby shot, injured in tussle with would-be robbers, suspects nabbed. Bloody love triangle, night fight between men in Clarendon. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A robbery attempt in the corporate area in the wee hours of Saturday morning by men posing as passengers in a taxi has landed two of the would-be robbers in police custody with one nursing gunshot wounds. The taxi operator was also shot and injured. Reports from the stadium police are that about 12:15 a.m. Tuesday morning, three men posing as passengers boarded the cabby's taxi along Roosevelt Avenue in Kingston 6 and proceeded to rob him. It is further reported that during the incident, a struggle ensued, which led to the taxi operator and one of his attackers receiving gunshot injuries before they abandoned him and the vehicle. The police were alerted, and on their arrival, they discovered the injured taxi operator and assisted him to hospital for treatment. A 6-AR 9mm pistol, affixed with a magazine containing 11 cartridges, was also seized, the police stated. The injured man was transported to hospital where he is being treated under police guard. The other man was taken into custody. The police stated that their identities are being withheld pending further investigations. 33-year-old Andrew Main, a farmer of Savannah District in Hayes, Clarendon, has been charged with wounding with intent following an incident in his community on Saturday, July 6. According to reports from the Hayes police, about 8:30 p.m., Main visited a woman's house in the community and saw another man there. On seeing the man, Main allegedly brandished a ratchet knife and stabbed the man several times. During the ordeal, the other man reportedly used a machete to chop Main, resulting in him fleeing the scene. A report was made to the police and Main was taken into custody and later charged.